In 1856, the railway came to Geelong, courtesy of the Geelong and Melbourne Railway Company. The first Geelong station was a dead-ended terminus located somewhere near the current Law Courts and Police Station complex. When the line was extended south to Winchelsea in 1876, the current station was relocated west to its current site, and the station was constructed between 1877 and 1871. The station has a 19th century train shed which is listed on the Victorian Heritage Register. In addition, the station complex is listed by the National Trust of Australia as being of state-level significance. The station has one side and one island platform connected by the stepped footbridge located under the train shed roof. In addition, there is a step-free footbridge with ramps and lifts located at the south end of the station. Note the original station signage located underneath the footbridge. Let's take the steps up to this footbridge and cross to the platform on the other side. Before we cross over, there's a short set of steps on the right hand side which lead up to a private locked storeroom. Nothing to see here, keep moving. As we cross over the footbridge, we can stop and look over the parapet to the southbound lines which lead to Warn Ponds terminus, and also the through line to Warnambool, and to the north the line, of course, both lines lead up to Southern Cross Station. At the end of the footbridge we step down onto the island platform which contains platforms 2 and 3. At this point here we can truly appreciate the benefit of the train shed roof, as the whole of the platform areas are sheltered from the outside weather. Taking this corridor, we can exit the station into the car park and bus and coach interchange immediately outside the station. The station is built in 2 stories out of red brick with yellow surrounds to the door and window openings and other features. Unfortunately, on the day I made this video, there was a hoarding obscuring a lot of the facade from view. Let's take a look inside and check out the interior. But before we go too far, it's time for the toilet tour. The entry door opens into a well-lit passageway, at the end of which is the door to the toilet proper. This opens onto a rather poky little toilet area comprising a urinal on the right hand side, a hand basin and 3 WC stalls on the left hand side. The toilet was clean, but I would describe it as utilitarian. It would certainly be a more pleasant place if the dark brown doors and frames were painted a lighter colour. Continuing down the corridor, we come to a well-lit and well-appointed waiting room and customer service area. This pleasantly appointed area features comfortable seating. There are 2 customer service counters, and the area is decorated with railway memorabilia and also historic photos of the Geelong area. And now it's time for me to finish off this very brief visit to Geelong Railway Station and make my way back to Melbourne in the comfortable Velocity train. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it both enjoyable and informative. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. You know, if you were to click on that subscribe button, that would let me know that you enjoyed the video and encourage me to make more for your viewing pleasure. So, go ahead and subscribe. You know you want to.